So hello guys, welcome back. Unlike my other videos, this is not a training video. This is just a pure information sharing video. So this happened with me on my last ship. I just wanted to share with everyone. So just a simple question. Can you spot a problem with this gyro repeater lightning? At least I wasn't able to identify in the first look. So this is where the problem lies. So the problem here is that the half part of the gyro compass repeater is not lightened up. And later on I found out that this can be remark in wetting also. So to make it more apparent, I'll switch off my bridge light and then you would be able to see it more clearly. Done some video editing and now you can see the burning part. That side of the gyrosphere is not visible and we cannot see the readings. So, and now we'll go to starboard side, and then on starboard side repeater also we can see that the half part of it is also not visible. So now if you'll go to port side, in port side also you can see the gyro repeater on port side. It is also not showing half side of it and the light is only visible on the half of the repeater. So here next day morning I called electrical officer and we tried to open all three gyro repeater, but just for the video purpose I'm showing you one repeater which is the center repeater. So here we opened this center repeater, and just a tip that there is nothing much in it, just there are 8 nuts in it. You just open the nuts, little bit slam in it, and then you can see over here that we have 2 bulbs over here inside the gyro repeater, which is new to me. I have never seen 2 bulbs, one of which was fused. So we replaced the one, and now here you can see that we are trying out both the bulbs, and now you can see both the bulbs are lightning, and we just boxed it back. After testing we just boxed it back, and you can see in the night watch this is the complete view or the after view after changing the bulbs. So this is how exactly it should be. The light should be visible throughout the ball. So this is it. So that's new to me and that's why I wanted to share with you. Thank you guys.